Hey everybody. So I know you're probably afraid to go and check your mailbox today because the tax values were mailed out. I've already had several people call and ask me about tax values, so I thought it'd be easier just to put this out so that everybody can watch this video and then contact your favorite next home agent so that we can help you the rest of the way. So there's three things that I want you to remember. First of all, what was sent out today is absolutely not the final decision. The county or the taxing entities are just telling you what they think your house is worth. This is the opportunity for you to go back and say, no, that's not what my house is worth. It's worth, a lot less. We don't want to tell them if it's worth more. If you open it up and you're happy with the value, just discontinue this video and move on with your life. If you open it up and you're not happy with the value, then we have to do some work. But just know that that number that you get is not necessarily the number that they're going to assess your taxes on. We have until sometime in August, September, October, I don't know the exact date right now, to be able to protest that value. So here's the two times that it really comes up, especially if you just bought a house. So if you just purchased a house and you open up the tax value and the amount they're assessing you for is more than what you paid, then all you have to do is file a protest and submit your settlement statement and the documents showing that you paid less than what they're assessing it out, and they should go ahead and just reduce your tax assessment value right there. Easy, easy, easy. It doesn't take a lot more research than showing this is the actual market value of my home because I literally just bought it. The other time that something comes up and people get huge sticker shock is if you purchased a new construction home this year and you paid $300,000 and they're assessing it at $450,000. Again, if your contract is less than what they're assessing it for, just provide your contract and you're fine. But the other thing to remember, which is really important on new construction, is that they can only assess you on new construction what your property was worth on January the 1st. So if you didn't purchase your property until today, and on January the 1st, it was only a slab on the ground, they can only assess you that slab on the ground price. They can't assess you for the value of a full home for the entire year because it wasn't a full home the entire year. So if that's the case with you, you did purchase a new home, and even if it was just not all the way complete, reach out to your agent or your favorite next home person and have us help you determine what documentation you can provide to the county to show what your house was actually, what stage it was at on January the 1st. Because a lot of times people don't know that little nuance to the rule, and that first year when you have your taxes, it's a little bit of a sticker shock because you didn't use it for a full year, but you're being assessed like it was there for a full year and it wasn't. So don't worry, just contact us and then we can help you kind of navigate that as well. The third thing you want to make sure that you do is make sure now that you have your homestead exemption filed. If you are using this as your homestead, that will also decrease your tax burden. And if none of that applies to you, but you're just really curious, like, is this really what my house is worth? And you think that you just want to check it to find out, is the value accurate to what they're reporting? Call your favorite next homie. We're happy to run the numbers. It really only takes us 5 or 10 minutes. You're not bothering us. And we can help you with the documentation that you might need in order to protest the tax values that they've sent you, even if you haven't bought or sold in the last year. So reach out to us. Let us know how we can help. Don't panic. I've heard some crazy numbers this year already. We can help you, make that hopefully a little bit more palatable. We just need to know what it is you need from us and we'll get busy on it. So y'all have a great afternoon. Let us know. We're here to help.